Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if Google Analytics data are real-time fed into the Google Ads campaign overview, and I can tell you it's not real-time. When you Google for that and go to Google Documents, I think when I last checked, they are saying, yeah, it's not real time. It can have some delay. When I was talking to some support people from India, which are working for Google, I think it was from Cognizant, something like that, but they are working officially for Google. They did some support for me, and they were saying it's real time. But here I have the overview, and you can see that it's working. I had one sale here like July 15. That was a confirmed purchase, the only one here until today. And today I had another one just 1 hour ago, and it was confirmed. Everything is good. I got the payment, everything like normal, but it's not here in the Google Ads overview, so it looks like it needs some time. Probably tomorrow I would see that, so it's definitely not real time. I think that can be really important for you, especially when you start a business or you start doing ads with Google Ads, and then you get a sale and you don't know where it's coming from. Is it coming from Google Ads or is it coming from somewhere else? So it's important for you to know how much you can rely on this data here. This is now 1 day later, and you can see the result here. It's definitely one purchase. It has been represented here in the dashboard. I have been trying for almost the rest of the day yesterday to get an update, and until close to midnight there was nothing to see. Of course, then I went to sleep, and when I woke up in the morning I tried first thing, and then it was here. So looks like overnight it was updated. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.